Be ready, start. During the course of his speech at the 10th annual general meeting of the company, the chairman said the consolidated profit and loss account for the year under review is very satisfactory and it represents a marked improvement when compared with the past few years. As you can see, the main advance has been in the profits of the present company, but our subsidiary companies have also made a good contribution to the total. The accounting date in the case of two companies has been altered to coincide with that of the remainder to the group, and a result their profits cover a period of a year and a half. The additional amount thus gained is not, however, a large one. The accounts also include the processing allowances which have now been finally adjusted to the amount of nearly 63,000 rupees. Para, the form of our profit and loss account has been slightly altered, and we believe that the new arrangement shows the position more clearly. We have again thought it prudent to provide in the accounts for the rising cost of replacement of fixed assets, and the amount for the year is 200,000 rupees. We think it is important to apply in our own profit and loss account the principle for which industry is contending, that provision should be made for maintaining the physical value of a company's assets by suitable deductions from trading profits, thus leaving as net profit an amount which is truly free for appropriation. Para, taxation during the current year has accounted for the very substantial sum of 787,000 rupees, in spite of the fact that there was no liability to access profit levy, and while there is little fresh to be said about the burden which such a figure imposes, you cannot fail to notice the proportion which it bears to the total profit. Para, I am very glad to be able to point out that the accounts reflect a general improvement in all our trading. The various subsidies on animal foods were all removed on April the 1st last year. The industry was completely decontrolled at the end of July, and there has been a substantial increase in trade during the year. Para, I, on behalf of the Board of Directors and myself, thank the members of the staff for their loyal support during the year. Stop.